Welcome to our channel. This is Wellness Wander. Today's class, I'm going to focus on that side booty, that area that's kind of hard to target, but that's how you round out that peach emoji, you know what I mean? All right, we're going to start with the warm-up, and then we'll get into those side booty moves. So, I'm using a band today. You don't have to use a band, but I recommend it because you'll feel the burn way more, and you'll get a little better result with the band. So, we're gonna start to fire up the booty first before I get into call this glute medius workout. So, lying down, pressing your hands into the mat, making sure your feet are about hip distance. You got the band on, and we're gonna start with a glute bridge. So you can also bring your hands above your head, wherever is comfortable for you. But the focus is just that nice squeeze at the top, getting that full range of motion in the glute bridge. Beautiful. Keep breathing, keep working, keep activating. We're going to hold it at the top and pulse in 3, 2, 1. Let's go for 10, 9. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze those butt cheeks together for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Back to the top. This time we're going to add an abduction. So bring your hips up and then pull your knees apart away from each other and then back down. So this is called an abduction, aka knee pull apart. This is where you're going to start to fire up that outer booty, those glute medius. Beautiful. 10 more seconds, and what we're gonna do is just hold at the top and just that glute med abduction move. In 3, 2, and 1. So bring your knees in and out. Drive your hips up as much as you can, so do not droop them halfway down. You really want that tension for 5, 4, 3, 2. Now don't drop your booty, trust me. You're gonna go halfway up, halfway down, halfway up, halfway down for 5, 4, 3, 2. Last time in those abductions for 5, 4, 3, 2. Woo! Okay, now my booty's awake. Hug your knees into your chest. Let's start our unilateral, so that's one side of your body, movement on the right. You're gonna lie down for me, get nice and cozy. I call this the Jane Fonda position. And you're going to make sure your legs are bent first. So your legs are not straight like this, they are bent. And you're not doing a clamshell. That's a clamshell. It's a very popular movement for Pilates and booty work. This one is a glute medius kick. So I lift the leg up and then I bring it down. Try not to let the top leg touch the bottom leg. So don't just drop it down and flop it, right? You want to bring it up and then go down slow. Don't let it touch and then back up. Perfect. So you're controlling it on the way down for 3, 2, and 1. Drive it up for 3, 2, and 1. I'm really feeling that side booty firing up here. Good job. 10 seconds. Ooh. We're gonna hold it at the top and we're gonna pulse. In 3, 2, and hold it up as high as you can. Pulse for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good, release. Now you're gonna straighten out that bottom leg and we're gonna do these kicks, but your legs are now gonna be straight. So lift it up and then go down slow. So again, try to not let the top leg touch the bottom leg. Lift it up and down slow. Use your breath. This is where you really start to feel it. My right butt cheek is on fire right now. I hope you're feeling it just the way I am. This is a tough band I got on too, so it doesn't make it much easier. All right, we're gonna hold it at the top and pulse in 3, 2, 1. Get up as high as you can. Pulse, 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 pulse. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Ooh! Damn. All right, bring it up. Thank you. So now bring it up. You're gonna extend this leg out. This leg is bent, and you're gonna shift your weight forward and back. So you're gonna squeeze. Actually, it's the other leg. All right, bring it up, and you're gonna make this the base leg, so the exact same butt cheek we were working, and you're gonna bring the left leg out to the side, okay? And then from there, I'm just gonna hinge back and come forward. So it's kind of like a reverse glute bridge on your knees. So I hinge at the hips, I lean down, and then I squeeze that butt. Oh yeah, the burn is real. 10 more reps. You got 5, 4, 3, 2. Now bring it back and just pulse right here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, stand up. We're almost done this side, I promise. I know you're thinking like, when are we switching? We got 2 more moves. You're gonna stay low for me, and you're gonna tap that leg in and out. So lateral taps. Make sure that you're not super bending into that leg, so you kind of this in-between position, sticking that booty out and tap for 10. Oh man, my right butt cheek is screaming. You got 3, 2, and 1. Last move. Bring the leg behind you and curtsy. Really feeling that on the side butt. Good. Almost there. We're about to switch sides, but we got a little pulse, like a cherry on top. 3, 2, and pulse. 10. Get low, get low. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Lower. Come on. And 1. Oh. Oh. All right. So we got to balance it out. Lay down on the right side of your body, and we're gonna start with that glute medius kick. So resting your weight on the right side, bending those legs, and let's start to kick it up and down. So again, right, like I said in the last time, the last side, don't let this drop, control it. Good, nice and slow to really feel that burn. Ten seconds, hold on, hold on. We got that pulse. In 3, 2, and hold it up as high as you can. Pulse, 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 pulse. Come on. 5, 4, 3, 2, and nice. All right, extend both of those legs out nice and straight. And we're doing the same thing, but straight kick. You want to get as high as you can, and you want to make sure that that bottom doesn't touch the top. This is where you really start to feel the burn. I'm with you. I am with you every step of the way. We're in this together. 10 seconds, come on. Stay strong. Gotta build that strong butt. We pulse in 3, 2, 1, let's go. Damn, you got 5, 4, 3, 2. Oh, glad that one's done. All right, let's get into this upright position. You're gonna extend that leg out to the side, and let's go into that left side. Squeeze at the top, hinge forward. Really feeling that burn. For 5, we're gonna hold that in pulse. And 4, 3, 2, 1. Pulse for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, 2 moves left. Come on, stand up. We got those lateral taps, so weight is in the left. And let's tap, 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 tap. Stay low, stay low, stay low. Control. I know that left butt cheek's on fire, but that's what we're here for. No screwing around. You got 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Ooh, all right, last move with that pulse. Let's go, curtsy. All the way behind, make sure you're really bending that back leg so you're not going halfway, right? Finish strong. 10 more seconds, and we get to pulse to finish. 3, 2, 1, let's go, baby. Come on, come on, come on, dig deep. You got 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Ooh, nice work. Take the band off. Thank you so much for working that side butt with me. Make sure to like this video, comment below, and subscribe to our channel. See you next time.
Welcome to our Mexico series. Escape with us to the beautiful Pacific coast. Together we will sweat, stretch, and reset. It's a beautiful day to take time for yourself.